Welcome back, everybody. Tuesday, 14th of March, 8:42 a.m. here in the UK. We're going to have a look through all of our 16 pairs on this week's hit list and have a look at which ones we're going to be considering to trade today. Let's get right into it. So starting off with the top of the list, Euro NZD. Yesterday we had a really nice pullback all the way down here past the 800 EMA. Today we are seeing the same thing. The A range is intact. We have space for profit. We may have space for profit here. No, that one is blown, so we won't be having that today. AUD USD up next. We are looking for a downtrend, and this looks really nice. So we've got loads of space on that. That is a definite possibility today. USD CAD, we're looking for some up action. A range very much intact. We have lots of space for profit based on ADR divided by 3, so that goes onto the list. GBP CAD, same. We had a really nice up movement yesterday, and we'll look for the same again today as we come down to prevent that vector. We have A range intact, and we have space for profit, so we'll add that to the list as well. AUD NZD is trending downwards. A range is intact. We have some space on ADR. We'll consider that. We'll see how that moves through the day. NZD CHF also downtrending. We are A range intact. We have ADR divided by 3 profit availability, so we'll keep that on the list for today. It's looking good so far. Euro CAD, we've broken yesterday's low, so we won't be considering that for a trade opportunity today, so we'll leave that off the list. AUD CHF, oh, really nice small A range. Lots of space for profit, coming up to that vector at the perfect area at that 200 EMA. That is definitely on the list for today. AUD JPY up next. A range is all right. ADR divided by 3 will give us some profits, but it might not quite be what we need. So if we come from the high, oh no, that is very much blown. So we are not going to take that. CAD CHF, another one on the downtrend. A range is intact, and we have space for profit off ADR, so we'll add that to the list. Euro AUD up next, uptrending. We are coming down to perform that vector. We may not have enough space for. We don't have enough space for profit, so we will leave that one off the list as well. GBP CHF up next. We have broken yesterday's high, just with that wick, and we pulled out of the fringe, and then we pulled right back into it. So that was a potential day 2 here. We did break for over an hour and a half, but we pulled straight back into the range, and now we're rejecting from that previous level of support right at the bottom of the fringe. So we'll keep a slight eye on it, but I'm not forecasting that to be too much today, because that is a little bit of an iffy trade, so I don't want to be putting anything in that's going to be a lower probability trade. So we'll take out of that one for the day. Chef JPY is up next. The A range is large, and it's blown based on ADR divided by 3, so we won't be considering that today. GBP NZD on the uptrend now. We have pulled down. Do we have space for profit? We do. And that one goes on the list. Really nice A range, really nice area for profit. GBP AUD is looking all right. If we've got space for profit, we'll add that to the list as well. And not quite. That is just blown, but that setup looks beautiful right off the 200 EMA. Looking for that W to shift up and take back over here, but that one is a lower probability one for us, so we'll leave that one off the list. And finally, NZD JPY, we've broken yesterday's high, so that one is not to be considered today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs on the hit list for today. All of these are looking pretty good. We'll keep an eye on some of them, and well, we'll keep an eye on all of them. We'll keep an eye on all of them. We'll see which ones that we want to go ahead and trade today. We'll see what presents on each of those, which one gives us the best opportunity, and which one gives us the best risk to reward. The other thing that I want to be really mindful of today is we do have a CPI news coming out for the USD at 12:30 p.m. Now that will be quite an important one. A reason being for that is we've got month-on-month and year-on-year releasing at the same time. Those are going to be 2 really big market moving news releases, and the problem with that here is when the USD has a really high impact news, it tends to move everything in the market. So we have to be really mindful of what that's going to do to us if we are in any trades by that time. We just need to be careful that we need to expect some volatility. We need to expect some fast movements, some big wicks, and just some really big moves. So just be careful when you're trading, and if you're in any trades around the time of that news release, just something to keep in the back of your mind. Apart from that, everything else is looking really good. We had a claimant count change from the GBP release at 7 o'clock this morning. That came in far under forecast, which is good news for the GBP. So that will do it for today's forecast. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. I hope you've taken something out of it to help you with your trading for the day. If you want to find out more about how I trade, what the strategy is, please do give me a message. You can get in touch with me on YouTube in the comments, or you can get in touch with me on my Instagram account. The handle there is at PSKFX Group. I'll be more than happy to give you some more information and get you started on your trading journey, learning the exact strategy that I use. And as always, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please do remember to give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great trading day, everybody.